Is your beautiful vinca invading your lawn? Vinca has beautiful purple flowers and really is a wonderful ground cover for places where you have a lot of room. But as you can see, it's a little difficult to keep it within the border. And here it is popping up, I'd say about a foot away from where it belongs. It travels on these vines, and the vines will root in your lawn. Like this. You can see the root right there. All you have to do is pull up the vine and unhook the root. And I just rip it out because there's plenty more where that came from. This looks pretty rough, but it's fine. If you just use your fingers and kind of dig into the lawn, you can feel the vines. Oh, there we go. So that's the vinca. Just carefully move along the vine and pull it up. If it breaks, make sure you get the spot kind of like a knuckle where it broke, because it will grow back if you don't. In fact, every time you separate one of the roots from the rest of the plant, it's creating a new plant. I would say if you don't have a lot of space and you're worried about it being invasive, it's probably better not to plant it unless you have a lot of time to prune it or maintain it. But if you like spending time in the garden, then go for it. I love my vinca. It's better than mulch, and it keeps out most of the weeds. You can also weed whack the vinca, but that doesn't get rid of what's gotten into your lawn. And the vinca flowers are definitely worth it.